as we all know, the market has been going up on a tear. It's been going up really big. I just want to go over a stock that I would look to potentially short or buy puts that meets one of the best criteria that I'm looking for, and that is stock UAL. The reason why I like this stock is because one, if you're looking at my chart, when you're at this red band and you have time distance away from the EMA 5 on the weekly and daily candle, which I'll get into, this is due for a correction move up. I get pretty close to the top, guys. I have found many strategies that can't do this. This strategy can really get very accurate, and then I tell you guys exactly what options I would probably get and all that. But if you look at the weekly time frame, we are clearly above this upper band. You don't see this often. Actually, in the matter of the history of UAL, we have never, I don't think, ever been extended this much. We've got very close this one time, and then we plummeted down, right? So this tells you, like, okay, this is a rare scenario. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. UAL is extremely overextended. So here's the key. I'm going to show you guys how to not get in too early if you want to buy puts on this, and I'm going to show you guys how to get very precise opportunities. So if you go to the daily candle, we go to the daily candle, we can see this is how you get a more precise. So we see that the weekly is giving us a longer term, this is due for a correction. But then if we look at the daily, look at this. We have all the EMAs here. The EMA 20 is this blue line here. That's where price will correct to. And anything that don't touch in 2 months is long. Well, if we look at this EMA 20, the last touch was 829. So you go 929, 1029, it's 1111. We are past 2 months, but we can't base our decision just based on that. But it's good to know, like, hey, we have a big move that can come down from this all the way down here, and that's a 13% drop with a big cap stock doing options. That is a very, very nice gain. So here's my analysis here. We gave it that time distance. As you can see, we hit this EMA 5 and we had this nice move up. But because price is going to always hit this EMA 5. So what I want to look for is lots of room down to the EMA 5. Like, I don't want to just buy this and there's very little room. As you can see right now, there is, because if I just want to get out, I can make nice gains on this. There's a 4% drop to this EMA 5. It's pretty decent. It's not too bad, not too good. But as price goes up, the EMA 5 is going to go up. So what I like to do is I want to give this 2 more daily candles. Give it 6 daily candles of not touching this EMA 5. Let it go up a little. And as you can see, the weekly is gorgeous. This excites me. A lot of people will be like, yeah, I would never touch this. Holy crap. How many weeks of row did we have it green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 weeks of green on UAL. Let me look at the analysis. Strong buy. The highest target is at 108. We're at 89, so we passed a lot of these targets. We have a little bit of sell power here, but obviously strong buy. So and then for the daily candle, like I said, for this to be a sell zone, you have to get close to this ATR4. And you can see, just getting it here, we had a nice little sell here. From this top to this, nice little 5% drop here. So we hit this, hits this EMA. Because you got to understand, we're trying to do trend reversal. When this is in an uptrend, these EMAs are going to be respected. Like, look at this. You start this big move up in here. You start to see the bands contract. So when you start seeing the bands this wide, usually they act as support. So you have the EMA 5 gets hit and goes to the upper, it hits the 5 again, it goes up, and then we start to go to the 10. You got to realize it's going to go in a uniform way. You're going to go hit the 5, and then we'll eventually go to the 10, and then eventually the 20. 20 just takes a little longer. So you hit this upper band, and guess what? We sell off. Then we had this big, massive bull move with the Trump being elected. All the stocks were just skyrocketing, right? And so now we're back up in this area. So what I would look for, I was looking at some puts. I like to be a little safer. I definitely would not do 4 days. I definitely would not do 11, 18, 25, or 32. I would do, so it would definitely either be 67 days or 130. I was looking at 130 just because I'm like, 4 months out, gives you a chance of winning so much exponentially. And so if you want to win and it's just have your chances exponentially there. I was looking at 21 March, and they're not going to cost that much because I was looking at the 95 strike, and you can see there's 1,044 open interest on this one. So there's a lot of people, kind of into this one. The delta is at 53. So every dollar this moves up, your premium will move 53 cents, and then the theta is very low. And then I liked how the IV is not tremendously high. So I mean, if you bought one of these, you're looking at $1,100. Not too bad, right? It's not too bad, and you're getting a very safe option premium. It's the high when you go higher the premium, the more safe you are. You have a lot more wiggle room. So I like that, and I was looking at the spread 1125, 1155, not too bad on that spread. So it's pretty good. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, guys. I think this can have a big move down. I just wanted to make a video on this because everyone's like, I don't know how to get into the market. I don't want to buy this market. This is hard market to buy because it can collapse at any moment, as we've seen. I mean, look at this thing. This thing went from a low of 37 to 89 since August. And you can see right in here, look at this. We were touching this lower band here. How convenient. That's what really started the trend reversal. And that's kind of what I want to start. I want to start the trend reversal up in here. So, I mean, I've seen this system work so many times. I do not get scared trying to buy puts on something like this, but I want to wait 2 more daily candles. Let's give it 6 daily candles, guys. 6 daily candles, not touching the EMA5 is pretty rare for a big cap. We already had this thing just go up massively. We see that the weekly is super overextended. So if I get an option premium that is 130 days out with in the money by 95 strike, I think you're golden here. And I would just keep accumulating this. I wouldn't I wouldn't just buy all in one sitting. I'll be like, you know what? I'll buy some at the end of the day every day. And this will be a nice, nice longer term investment for this to go down. And I'm not trying to hold this forever. I mean, I could cash out the next day or two if this goes down, right? So that's the objective here is one, EMA5 is your first target. EMA10 is a beautiful target too. I think it's due. And then obviously EMA20 is due too, and that would be a 13% move down. That would be a very big move down if we get that. So that's my UAL analysis. If you guys have another stock you want me to look for analysis for shorting, please let me know. I have done this many times. It works. It's been one of my biggest wins because obviously when stocks go down, you know the saying, they take the elevator down, right? This is a slow staircase up, but when the show time's over, it will come down to the reversion mean. That's the one thing that is guaranteed in this market. It will touch this EMA20. I promise you. And the more time we get not touching it, it will get there. But you got to keep in mind, though, the EMA20 is going to go up every day. So that's why we want to get close to this red band. Ideally, I want to get it a little bit higher. And because as you can see, just on this candle alone, we went a little above and then we go plummeting down, right? You lose about $2 here and then it climbs back up. So that's why I'm looking for this one. If you guys do want to join the Discord, this is your chance to do. Hit the premium Discord. To get in the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below. Or in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to be a member of all my services, it is so cheap. It's not going to cost you a lot. Just hit day trade chat, or day trade alerts. That will give you access to the gold name, the highest membership. It's very nice. Or just hit server shop and you'll see the prices. It's only $12 a month for the highest day in Swing Trading Plus. If you just want swing trading, it's $6 a month for Swing Trading Plus. And all these communities will be unlocked if you did the day in Swing Trading Plus. But I just wanted to go over this. I think it's a nice thing. It's made me a full-time trader. A lot of the trading is literally just patience. Let the setup come to you. Yes, I could get in early and this thing could plummet, but then it just goes against my system. If I give this some time and wait it out, like I said, I want to get on the 6 daily candle, not touching this EMA5 because I know the EMA5 is going to touch. So I'd rather have that insurance to be like, okay, and then I'm going to play less risky. I'm not going to gamble and buy a weekly on this or even a monthly. I'm going to give this some time, 4 months out, higher premium, put the money, on the bigger deltas and all that, and you know your chances of winning are pretty big. I'm bearish on this. This it had a good run, and I can see this doing a trend reversal. So this strategy catches it early, and I think you guys are going to love this strategy. I got day trading education videos. Make sure you watch all these swing trading education videos, specifically this one right here. This is going to get your chart set up. All right, guys, thank you so much for liking this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about it, and join the Discord, and I hope to see you guys there. Peace out.